We're going to talk about verb be in the past. Verb be in the past has two words, was and were. The first one, was, is used with the singular pronouns I, he, she, and it. So, I was, he was, she was, it was. On the other hand, where is used with the plural pronouns we, you, and they. So, we were, you were, they were. Let me give you some sentences as examples. Number one, I was at school yesterday. The second example, we were in the park last week. Thank you.